Okay, so I know what you're thinking. One, if you're familiar with the channel, you saw my old videos. Wow, I thought you decided not to get headers right now because you got the Course Extremes and you didn't get the headers, and now you got the headers in. So what the world's going on? That's probably what you're thinking, right? Right. Me too. So 3 months ago, if like I said, if you're familiar with the channel, you've been following, we ordered Stainless Works long tube headers for the Mustang. That's back when I had the Resonator Delete X pipe and the Borla S type mufflers on it. We're gonna do the long tubes, and it was gonna be sick, everything, blah blah blah, whatever. Well, that was 3 months ago, and I told y'all that they were on back order, and we, sent him an email, told him to cancel the order, blah blah blah. Ended up selling the Borla and got the Course Extremes, and then here we are 3 months later. I woke up Wednesday to an email saying your order has shipped. So as you can imagine, I'm like, what order? I haven't ordered anything. So I go in there and click, it says American Muscle, and I'm thinking, wow, that's weird. So go on there, and sure enough, long tube headers. So yeah, I instantly called them and was like, what the crap's going on? Because I've got these coming, I've got $1,000 charge on my card, and I didn't order these technically. I mean, technically I did, but didn't want them anymore. So I get on the phone with American Muscle, and they claim that they never got my email saying that I canceled the order, even though the guy that I talked to was really nice. Everybody I talked to, American Muscle's fine. Everybody I talked to was really nice. He couldn't believe it'd been 3 months since I got it, since I ordered it and canceled the order, which I did. Why would I not cancel the order? Y'all knew. Obviously I canceled the order. Whether they lost the email or what, I don't know. But yeah, so 3 months later, I guess they're back in stock apparently, because they sent me some. Like I said, obviously charged me. 'Cause, I checked it first. I was like, man, maybe they sent me these for free on accident, but no, they didn't say. They did charge me. So now they're gonna send me a shipping label. I just got them in today, but they gotta send me a shipping label. I've got to drive, like, literally the nearest UPS drop-off store is like 45 minutes away from me. So I gotta go tomorrow, spend several hours driving to the UPS store and back to drop off the long tubes, because I don't want them. They're a step down design. It wouldn't make any sense to run them with a 3-inch catback that I have. It just wouldn't make sense. Plus, I don't feel like installing them. I told you the whole story about wanting to go down to VMP and get them installed and all that kind of jazz, but that's down the road, different headers, Cook's headers or something, not these. So that's what we're doing tomorrow. Got to go get these returned, because I have to return them before they will issue my refund. I mean, I kind of understand that, because I could just issue it and I never send it back, whatever. But then it was on my credit card, because I order everything online through my credit card, because one time I got a whole bunch of charges from, I don't know, my debit card got taken from somewhere online. So I always use my credit card on buying stuff online. Well, my credit card stuff is due on the 28th, and so I'm either gonna always pay the full amount, so there's no interest. So I can either pay the full amount and then they'll credit back my credit card, and then my credit card will have to credit back my bank account, or I just don't pay for that part. I pay for everything else. Obviously, I have like a $25, what they want you to pay, because they want you to run, the credit out forever, get the most money. But or I just don't pay. I pay everything except for that. But then they'll have the interest on that, but then they'll be sending the amount back, but it'll be higher at that point. I don't really know how that works. Kind of confused on that, because if there's interest billed on it from, them, you borrowing technically from them through the credit card, but then they return that money, I don't really know how that works exactly. So I don't know. So it's been pretty much a nightmare. I'm making it out a little bit bigger than it is. It is a pain in the butt, and it's an ordeal, and I just think after 3 months, you'd think they would call, maybe not even call, but email, hey, 3 months later, we're gonna send you your thing and charge you, you know, the amount or something. You sure you want this? I don't know. It's just seems a little weird, but that's the story. That's what's going on. Let me know if y'all have ever had anything like this happen 3 months after you've ordered something. It's crazy that they never received my email about canceling the order or whatever. I don't know, but yeah, so not keeping the long tubes. They're just not the ones I want for this setup and everything. They are cool. I really want to open them and check them out, but you know, I don't know. The box is actually kind of small. I would have thought that long tubes would have been in a bigger box than that, but I don't know. I guess they're pretty compact, but yeah. So that's the story. That's it. Y'all let me know if you've been missing the Mustang videos, because I haven't really done many Mustang videos since I got the truck. It's been freezing, it's been snowing, icy. Not much I can do with the car right this second, but I do have a couple videos planned for cars and stuff, and you'll actually see why I put it out of the garage and put it down here in the basement in a future video in a couple days, because there might be another car in its spot up there. Just, I'll leave you a little teaser right there, but so yeah, y'all let me know, are you really loving the truck videos? I know a lot of you are. I'm loving the truck so much, but y'all let me know if you've missing the Mustang videos, because we've been doing a lot of Mustang videos recently, and then kind of since the truck got here and the weather got bad, kind of put it on halt. So y'all let me know what you think about the Mustang. If you're missing videos, I need to get back on it. Y'all need to comment and tell me so I can get my butt to work, get some more videos of the Mustang. So y'all let me know, and I will see y'all in the next one. See ya.